Hi guys, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. I have another box. This is from Pastry Shop. This is that new one that is out of Texas. Let's see what it says or what's in there. Got my scissors. We're gonna open this guy up. It's in here good. All right, look how pretty, and it is heavy. There's a lot of stuff in here. I hear stuff too, jingling. Okay. Pretty tissue. Wow, there's something right on top I can feel. Treat box number 2 called Lily's Hugs. This is what I could feel in here. Look at that, those are those little clips. This is awesome idea. Let's see here. It features April Rosenthal's newest retro collection, Love Lily. And we'll keep going. So we have 2 charm packs of that, and I actually have one more already. So this is going to make a bigger project. Okay, so we have this, and we're going to have to peel through here. I think I can actually get into this one. All right, you guys ready? I don't know how to make this any better. Okay, so there's 2 of that. This is a little polka dot. This is one with some color in it. There's 2 of this print. 1 of this. There's not a lot of duplicates. I like that even more. And there's 2 of those. 2 of those. Isn't this pretty? Two of these. And it just keeps going, guys, because there's not a lot of repeats. There's a lot to look at with this one. But 2 of these. I've noticed these big prints like this are typically there have been 2 of those. And on a lot of them there's 2 of this one, but not in the blue. That's the last one. There's my pile. So we got 2 of these. All right. We have a spool of Metler silk finish with a perfect match for your aqua fabric and spool holder to keep the spool from unraveling. Let's see, what are they talking about? Oh, here we go. And this is the little guy that he put on after you've opened it. It keeps all your little threads contained so you don't have crazy threads when you're storing this. Very nice. Fun Fiesta glass jar to hold an assortment of clips, large and small. So that's this. There's not prices on anything. Oh. Oh, look at this. There is a 30s playtime. What do you call this? A mini charm? Mini charm. I'm not taking this one out. It will never get contained again. But look, I think this will coordinate very, very well. Well, there's some purples in there, but with what I just opened, I don't think it's intended to go with it. That's sure cute. She's included a mini charm in Chloe's Closet, newest 30s Playtime collection. It's a wonderful collection of 30 reproduction prints full of spring colors. So that's just a little bonus. Okay, now there's still some things in here. Look, we get cupcake liners. It's a bakery. Look how cute that is. And we have this beautiful aqua fabric. And that goes really well with this. Here is the pattern. I think it's upside down. And here's a finished one in front. So that blue yardage is more for the border and the binding. Called Lily's Hugs. It's a 30 by 30. Like it. Very detailed. Alright, there's still more in here, guys. We have strawberry blueberry muffins. We're getting a lot of recipes in these boxes lately. Strawberry blueberry muffins. Sounds yummy. And the very last thing, best for last, jelly bellies. It's April. What better way to celebrate April than with some jelly beans? And the box is now empty. That's amazing. So Sherry, you did great. I love your boxes. You guys let me know what you think about this, and I'll put the link below so you can go find her too. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.